Hi guys, in this HTML tutorial I will show you how to add comments inside the HTML file. Comments won't be shown by the user, but they can help others in developing HTML if you work with coworkers. For example, this is a comment. We see nothing, but if you view page source, we see the comment. For example, if you work together with somebody else with HTML file together, the person that you work with, he can see this comment and work together with you. See you later, guys.